Deped is eligible for PBB 2019. Deped met 13 out of the 15 indicators. For PBB 2019, Deped met 13 out of the 15 indicators. We are eligible as an agency because we met all the good governance indicators after our appeal on nationwide PhilGIP's non-compliances. Teaching positions are eligible. Non-teaching positions are eligible, but selected accountable offices/officers in the non-compliant regions will be isolated. We are still waiting for the official letter from Out 25. They informed us that they will send it this week. Thanks.